Hey friends, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jeannie. This is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks, and over here we do BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I also do monthly giveaways and milestone giveaways. So you guys, some weeks back, I hit 500 subscribers here on my channel. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to honor that, I have an amazing giveaway going on right now. The retail value of the giveaway is well over $1,000. So many amazing products: NARS, Pacifica Beauty, Marc Jacobs, and it goes on and on and on. Stila, Becca, just a lot of great products. And all you have to do is be subscribed here on my channel for your chance to win. And then leave me a comment on that video. If you're new and you want to check it out, I'll leave the video in the description box below. It'll make it easy for you to find. That's where you can see all of the amazing products that you could win. All you have to do is smash the subscribe button and leave me a comment on that video, and you've got your entry. And don't forget, I do giveaways like this all the time here on my channel. So today I am so excited, you guys. I got my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of October. This is my paid for box. I will say that last month, probably the most exciting thing since I've started my channel and my beauty Instagram page, the most exciting thing that has happened to me is getting on BoxyCharm PR's list. Now, I am somebody who kind of wears my frustration and wears my emotions on my face. So if I seem a little bummed out, I am a little bummed out. So we're not supposed to share our BoxyCharm PR boxes until after the 7th of the month, because in the beginning of the month, the first few days, the BoxyCharm accounts are doing their sneak peeks, and we don't want to ruin that. So I was really hoping, I was so excited to be able to be one of the first people this month to post a BoxyCharm box with my PR box, because you do get them in the beginning of the month. But I still have not gotten mine. I'm really hoping for tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm really excited that I got my paid for box. So I am a paying customer. I pay for the box and the premium, the base box and the premium box every single month. So it's super exciting that paid for boxes are getting out really quickly this month as far as the premium, because I've seen some other people getting theirs as well. So if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it's a monthly subscription box. We do have 3 tiers that happen in BoxyCharm. We have a base box that costs $25 a month. We have a premium box, which costs, well, this costs $35 a month, but from November and moving forward, it's actually going to be $39.99 a month. And you used to have to have the base box first and then upgrade to the premium. And you were able to then decide, did you want to keep both boxes or do you want to just keep the premium box? Now this is, from here on out, this is going to be a standalone box that you can purchase alone. You no longer have to get the base box first, which I think is very cool. But I do want to mention that from here on out, this box is $39.99. And it does have an immense, way higher than that retail value. And I'll be honest with you, I love BoxyCharm. We do get access to member-only sales, up to 80% off retail value of well-known beauty and skincare products. So I love that. Now, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump on into the box. So excited. BoxyCharm videos are my favorite videos to do because I honestly love BoxyCharm. And let me just say right now, I love BoxyCharm. That does not mean that I will love every single product that they send me. So I will always give a full, honest review on each and everything in all of my boxes, whether it is paid for or not. So that's just how I roll. So every month we do have a theme card. This month is BoxyCharm Spellbound, which I absolutely love. So the month of October is my favorite month of the year. I live in Michigan, where once we hit November, we're looking at possible snow, and it's pretty like the first time. Then after that, I don't want nothing to do with it. So literally, I love fall. I love Halloween. I love everything that goes along with October. So on the flip side of the card, we have everything that is in our box, along with the retail value of that product and a little information about each one as well. So that is always nice. Now, normally we do not have a card that opens. This time we do. And it's just letting us know about all of the changes coming to BoxyCharm. So it's letting us know that the formerly known add-ons, which is an every month members only sale, where you can get up to 70 to 80% off of retail value on well-known high-end makeup and skincare products. That is now going to be called Drop Shop. And then the pop-up store, which is the quarterly massive sale, is now going to be known as Mega Drop Shop. And then it's also letting us know about the Beauty Bash, which is the holiday sale that starts in early November. And I would imagine it probably goes through the end of the year. But I'm not 100% sure about that. But I do know that it starts in early November. So I will definitely be shopping all of those. If you have followed me for any amount of time, then you already know your girl is on here every single month with my add-on and pop-up orders. So now, within this box right here, you're able to customize 2 items. So my customization, the first thing that I customized was by Lily Lashes. So if you have been following me for any amount of time, you have definitely heard me talk about lash serums. The last few months, I have been using them. I got the first one that I started using through Ipsy, and then I got 2 more through BoxyCharm, and this would actually be the 4th one that I got. I'm not going to open this now because I have some open right now, but you guys, I have seen a major difference in my natural lashes since using lash enhancing serums, the volume and the length and the strength and the shedding. So literally all around, I have better natural lashes. I am wearing falsies right now. But honestly, the last few months, I reach for them less and less because I'm happy with the way my own lashes look with a few good coats of mascara lately. I do honestly see a difference. So these lash serums are expensive. This retails for $65. So if I'm able to get it in a subscription box, I am totally here for that because I'm not going to buy it otherwise. So since I don't know, with the way that I'm seeing a difference, it might be something that I would purchase, but if I can go ahead and get it in a subscription box, I'm definitely going to do that. So I can't wait to give this one a try. It's not one that I've tried in the past. So once the one that I'm using runs out, I will definitely open that one and give that one a try. Right now, I'm using the one that I got last month in BoxyCharm, which is from Dr. Lily Fan, and I do really like that, and I am definitely seeing a difference in my lashes. So the next choice item for this box is by LYS Beauty, and it is the No Limits bronzer. I got mine in the shade Light. This is what it looks like. It does retail for $18. Now, I'll be honest with you, I have been using the Alamar Cosmetics Hydrating Complexion Trio that I also got from BoxyCharm, and I have been in love with it. I don't even want to reach for anything else recently, ever since I tried that. The one that I use is also in the shade Light, and normally I will try different bronzers. I will try all kinds of different things. Sure, I'll try it, but I always go back to my Hoola Benefit Light when it comes to a bronzer until I tried the Alamar Cosmetics Hydrating Trio, Complexion Trio. I have not wanted to reach for anything else, but I did use this in my look today for bronzing on my forehead and contouring my cheeks. I absolutely loved it. I think it's gorgeous. I think the shade is beautiful. I think the formula is beautiful as well. The only thing that I'll be interested to see is how it wears, because one of the things that I absolutely love about the Alamar Cosmetics Hydrating Complexion Trio is that it doesn't dry down into my skin. It literally stays looking nice all day until I take it off. And that is one of the things that I love about it. So I will be interested to see how this actually wears, as far as the way that it goes on and the way that it blends out and the way that it initially looks. I think it's gorgeous, and I will definitely be reaching for it again. But like I said, I'll be interested to see how it wears throughout the day, because I'm 36 years old. So after a while of makeup being on my face, it does settle in, it starts to dry in, it starts to go into fine lines. And that, like I said, was one thing that I was loving about the Alamar Cosmetics one, was that like it never dried down. It wore so well, literally until the minute that you took it off. So I'm interested to see how this one will wear, and we will see. So next, you guys, I was so hoping to get this, and I did. So I'm very excited. It is the Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush. Now, I love Benefit Cosmetics. I like my Precisely Brow product. I just told you that I love the Hoola bronzer in Light. This is a new shade. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's like a little cardboard box that opens up. They do give you a brush in there, just like they do with the Hoola bronzer. This is the same packaging as the Hoola bronzer. It does come with a little mirror as well, but this is not a brush that I would use for blush. I did apply this today. This is the blush that I have on right now, and I might as well just add a little more. I will tell you, this blush is stunning. It gives me NARS Orgasm vibes because of the sheenness to it. It's just absolutely stunning. It also smells really good. I don't know that I would say it smells like peaches, but it smells really, really good. And yeah, like if I had to compare it to a well-known blush, I would definitely compare it to the NARS Orgasm. It's got a really pretty sheen to it. Let me see if it'll swatch. So it's got just like a really pretty golden sheen. I think this might be a little more golden than the NARS, but it really does remind me of it. And I do feel like this would go well on multiple skin types, which I really, really love when BoxyCharm puts things in a box that could kind of universally look good on a lot of different skin tones, because we are not all the same, and you know, everybody is different. So I like when they incorporate something in the box that is going to look good on everybody and not just one type of skin tone. So that is very important to me. And I do honestly believe, almost like NARS Orgasm, that that is a blush that would probably look good on a whole lot of different skin tones, which I really appreciate. So moving right along, and next we do have from Pericone MD. This is the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. This does retail for $35. So $35 for this cleanser. You do get a ton of product in here. And let me just go ahead and say, I am somebody that does not mind getting skincare in my subscription boxes. I absolutely love it, in fact. Now, I don't want all skincare, but I know that there are some people that, like, they don't want to see skincare in their boxes. They want all makeup. Like, I am 36 years old, and if I can get expensive skincare that's going to help me look and feel younger in my subscription boxes, I am totally here for that. This is a good, well-known brand. I have a ton of cleansers open right now, so this isn't something that I'm going to be trying out tonight or anything, but I will definitely let you guys know in the future how I feel about the product, because it's not something that I've tried in the past, but I just have so much skincare open right now. I would hate to see anything go to waste, so I'm going to wait a while before I open that one, but I'm definitely happy to have it in my skincare collection, which is starting to look like the skincare aisle in Marshalls, honestly. So anyhow, moving along, next from Dew of the Gods, which is such a cute name. So we do have the Filla Collagen under eye pads. Now, I actually really like under eye pads. I did try these out today, and I've got some thoughts on them. I tried them out before the video, and I used it right before I did my makeup for the video. And first of all, I like the packaging. It's a little tin. It opens on top, and you get 10 sets in here. So each set has one for each eye. Something different about these is that the side that sticks to your eye, I have never in my life used an iPad that stuck like that. It is literally like adhesive. That is not going anywhere. And I do like that in a way, because with some of my favorite iPads, even though I love the results from them, I constantly have to push them up while I'm wearing them, or maybe just lay back while I'm wearing them, which as a mom of 3 doesn't happen much unless it's literally time to go to bed. I'm not laying down anywhere because I have a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 13-year-old that has football practice 7 days a week. So like, I'm not laying down unless it's literally time to go to bed. So like, when I'm doing my iPads or my sheet masks, like, I'm doing it while I'm doing other things too. So I don't like that I constantly have to push them up. These bad boys are sticking wherever you put them until you take them off. They have some serious adhesive power, okay? And then the flip side that is not stuck to your eyes is like a really soft felt. So I've never seen that in an eye patch, and I actually thought that was really interesting. Now, I will also say when I took them off, I felt like they might have ripped a little layer of skin off, and underneath my eyes did not feel really hydrated like some of the other eye patches. Now, we got some marine algae eye patches from Generation Skin in BoxyCharm not too long ago. Absolutely love those. I still have some left. I use them, and when I use mine up, I will definitely repurchase that product. When I take them off, my under eye area feels super hydrated, glowy, soft. I didn't really get that from these, and I'm just being honest. It's not a diss to BoxyCharm, and it's not a diss to this brand, because I do actually think that this is a nice brand. I've tried some things from them before from BoxyCharm. Like, I think it was maybe like a lip scrub, or it was something that I did like. I got it out of the one of the add-on sales, but this particular one, I'm going to have to use more before I can give an honest opinion. Like I said, I liked how they didn't slip down. I liked how it had a really soft felt feeling to the outside, but I'm not 100% sure how I felt about how it looked and felt when the product came off. So, not saying it's a bad product, not saying it's an amazing product, saying I don't know yet and I need to use it some more to find out. I'll definitely continue to use it and see if I see a difference. And if I do, then great. Then I'm totally here for that. So last but not least, from Tarte Cosmetics, we do have the Man Eater Plumping Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Buff. I do have it on right now. I think it's absolutely stunning. I totally go for super glossy, juicy, pink nude type of colors. Although lately I have been trying to jump outside of my comfort zone and get into some darker colors on my lips, and I've actually really been enjoying it. But this is totally up my alley. This is the color, this is the packaging, and let me just say, whoa, does it have some serious plumping action. You can really feel that stuff working, and my lips look plump. They really, really do. That is a difference. Like, you can see a major difference. Another thing I like about the product is that it's got a really nice size applicator on there. Yeah, I like this product. Oh, whoops. I like this product a lot. It does retail for $19. Now, the total value of this particular box was $187. I'll be honest and say normally my premium boxes retail for a lot more than that. But all in all, I'm actually really happy with this variation. I really don't have any complaints about it. The only thing is I'll have to use these a little more to see if it's a product that I really like. I did not like it. I actually really liked the way that it adhered to my under eye area. But I don't know, like, I'm just not 100% sold on them. So I will definitely let you guys know at a later date. And if I continue to use them and see like some amazing difference, I'll definitely repurchase them if I see them on add-ons or pop-ups. But right now, I just did not feel like my under eye area was like really hydrated afterwards, and that's what I'm looking for in eye patches, because I have dry skin. So maybe if you don't have dry skin or something like that, maybe they'll be really good for you. I don't know, but I have dry skin, so when it comes to like under eye things for me, I'm looking for like hydration and dewiness, and I just did not get that from that product. But everything else, I'm absolutely totally thrilled with, and I think it was a great box. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I am dying to see what is going to be in my BoxyCharm base box and my BoxyCharm PR box. So hopefully I will get my PR box tomorrow. I'm really crossing my fingers and hoping. And if I do, then you know I will be right on here ASAP trying everything out with you, letting you guys know my thoughts and opinions on everything and using everything here on camera with you. So I hope it's here. If not, then I'm still going to come on and do a makeup look tomorrow. Either way, you will see this face here tomorrow, and I hope to see you here too. And until then, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.